The purpose of this video is to teach you how to use a link label. Alright, so a link label is nothing more than a label that becomes a hyperlink, and it has a default click event. If I double click on it, you'll see that I have this link clicked. And so what I can do with this is I can make it automatically open up a particular website or a program or a file. Now we do have properties available to us for it. And so if we look at this, we have the link color, we have the visited color down here, and we also have our active link, and then we have a name for it. So the name for this is going to be kind of like a regular label, except it's a link label, so it's going to be LLBL, and then I'm going to call it launch link, or whatever you want to call it. Okay, so now what that actually just did is it changed the name of the file, the link, but it did not change the name of the method. So I'm going to make LLBL launch link. Alright, so this will launch our link, and make sure I have it labeled right. Yes, so launch link. Okay, so when you click on it, it will cause it to actually do something. The question is, what is it going to do? Alright, so I'm going to change the text here. Sorry, under properties. I want the text to say, go to Google. Alright, so I want it that when you click on this thing, it would automatically open up Google. So there are a couple of ways I could do that. One is I could get it to automatically open Internet Explorer or a specific process and then go to the page, or I could just simply allow the default Windows System Handler to do that. So let's start with launching Internet Explorer. So it's system.diagnostics.process.start. Okay, and so what process do I want to start? So in parentheses, I'm going to send 2 arguments. And you'll notice that I have 5 different overloaded methods that I can use. I can send just one string in, and it will just automatically open a file or whatever is associated with the resource. And if I go through the list here, you'll see that I have 2 here. One's for a file name, and then one is for arguments. And then we can also do things like passwords and domain name and so forth. So what I want to actually send into it is I want to launch Internet Explorer, and what do I want to do with it? Well, I want to go to http://www.google.com. Alright, so now what this will do is it will launch Internet Explorer and send this argument to it, so it'll automatically go to google.com. So if I click this link, now what it does is it opens up Internet Explorer and goes right to Google. If I modify this and get rid of the iExplorer at the beginning, if I just simply pass through the URL, Windows has file associations and it has default handlers, and the default handler for an HTTP is associated with either Internet Explorer, Chrome, Firefox, whatever browser I have specified as being my default browser. If I do it this way, I will automatically just simply launch whatever the default browser is. So in this case, when I click on the link, instead of opening up Internet Explorer, it will actually open up whatever browser I have set up as my default. So when I click on it, it opens up Google Chrome, and it automatically will go to google.com. Now you'll notice that it did redirect to a secure site, but that's just behind the scenes. Google automatically does that, but it did open up the default web browser, which in this case is Chrome, and it went to google.com just by simply passing the URL itself to the process.